In this video, I will explain how to set up an IDX page using the Matrix IDX Configuration Tool. This feature allows brokers to embed a searchable listing page directly onto their website, where clients can search live CVR MLS listings without ever leaving your site. To begin, click Settings in Matrix, then select IDX Configuration. The first step is to name your IDX page. Then select the IDX type. The search option will enable users to use criteria to look up properties on your site. With this selected, you will have to choose in which type of display your clients will see their search results. You can see a preview of your selection by clicking the Preview tab in the top right. The Map Search option will add the Map Search function to the IDX page. You can choose which search form you'd like users to see. You can restrict the map search, and you can edit the default position of the map search. Next, make sure to select IDX Enable. This is essential because without this, your page will not be active. You can also enable a sign-up form that lets users submit their contact info directly from the IDX page. Once this is selected, you can add any details or messages you would like consumers to see when using the sign-up form. To finalize this, click Save. Matrix will then generate an HTML code that can be sent to your technology provider to embed the IDX page into your website. It is important to note that while you can make changes to this IDX configuration at any time, you will need to follow any changes by adding an updated HTML code to your website. If you have any questions that were not answered in this video tutorial, you can contact MLS support by emailing mls@cvrmls.com or by calling 804-422-5004.